Hello my friends, this video is all about Zigzag socks, a new pattern that I've just published at 10roseday.com/zigzag-socks. So what's so special about these socks? In two words, it's fit and fun. The socks are worked from the toe up. We start with the closed toe cast on, and then we do the shaping so that the toe part of the sock is rounded, much like the toe part of a human foot. And then we move to the fun part, and that's the color pattern, this lovely zigzag lines dancing on the socks. The pattern might look intricate and intimidating to newer knitters, but in fact it is the easiest way to do stranded color work, and the pattern gives lots of tips and links to tutorials that will make this process easy and fun. After we make the foot part of the sock, we move on to making the heel. And the heel of these socks is shaped with the fitted shaping. So it's a fitted heel that imitates the shape of the human foot. And that makes the socks stay on your feet and not slide down your shoes, even if you do a lot of walking and running during the day. Once we finish the heel, we return to working in the color pattern to make the cuff. And if you want this color pattern to just peek from your shoes, then make an ankle cuff. Or you can go with the classic quarter cuff version if you want to really show off these lovely zigzags. The cuff itself is finished with a narrow band worked in twisted ribbing, and the pattern has a link to a tutorial that shows the easiest way to make this stitch pattern in the round. The socks are unisex, and the pattern gives you instructions for making them in 9 sizes, from a size that fits a 3-year-old kid to an extra large men's size. So if you're up to knitting a pair of funky socks this summer, go to 10roseday.com/zigzag-socks, get the pattern and cast on.